Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Maserati MC20 and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series, and specifically this is from their Boulevard series. And this series actually has multiple cars. I did see this Altaza and the Ford GT, and there are a couple here. I think that Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. I specifically didn't buy that because I have that in Majorette. That one is way better, acrylic headlights and everything. So this one is just painted and it looked like a big piece of metal, so I didn't buy it. And I think the another one is Porsche, which is mentioned here. So I think that is a Porsche which we unboxed a couple of weeks back. So usually five cars. So these three and these two, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, I bought this for 549. I seriously don't remember from which shop I bought. So I usually buy at different time frames from different people. Some most of the time from different people. Like a lot of time friends are helping me out. Few times I'm getting from some shops nearby, like little fancy stores kind of thing. Okay, so here is the card art. So this card art looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can actually cut this and you can keep it, if you are customizing something, customizing this particular Hot Wheels, and if you want to keep something as a background, see, if you are having case like this, you can actually put this inside in as a backdrop. That is going to look absolutely beautiful. Specifically this one would look really gorgeous, given that it has a cool backdrop, like it has theater kind of background and car in front. That looks really nice. It's more, this looks more natural. So yeah, so let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So this is a premium, so it must have all the details. So the paint job looks really nice. It does have a little bit of, okay, just went away. Fine, that is great. Okay, it has headlight details. It has some hood detailing here that is just painted on. It is not actually having any grill details there. It is just painted. So you can see the Maserati logo here. It's not really that clear, but it is there. So you can see the grill detail here. Here the Maserati logo is really nice. It is big and nice. Okay, and it has tail light detail as well. It is a little bit pixelated, but it is still, it is good. Okay, so it is a premium. So this is a full metal casting, full metal body, full metal chassis, rubber tires. So this is like a standard set of rims they always use for this premiums. We already have a couple of Corvettes there and Audi there. Let me show you once. You can see there. These two Corvettes have this exact set of rim. This Audi has this specific set of rim, and there are a lot more. I kept it inside. I'm not keeping it outside. So I need to refresh this particular case, this one and this one. So we'll do that soon. Okay. So this piece here, that is actually plastic. That is, that is actually connected to this windshields here. So all these are slightly black tinted, but still you can see the interior here. Is this from my fingerprint? I don't think so. Still it is not going. There's some level of scratches there, but still it has some level of interior details here. That is really good. It has wiper detailing here. You can see the air intake here, which is really nice. Okay, everything is metal, so nothing to worry about even if you drop it. Let's weigh this casting. So I'm expecting somewhere around at least 60 grams, or even at least 50, even if it is not 60. Yeah, 51 grams, not bad. So these are having rubber tires. Since it is a premium, the tires doesn't have any threading here. So again, this is the basic set of rims and tires they go with for most of the premiums. So since it has wheels and it actually moves, we need to do a roll test. Let's do it. Wow, that actually rolls really good even for a premium. It does have some wheel wobble on the front wheel, but still, I usually never expect premium to roll at all. So this one actually rolls really well for a premium. Okay, I need to give credit for that. Okay, let's rate this casting. So again, it's a premium, so not much to complain about because they actually give all the details, and it does roll really well as well. So 10 out of 10 from my end. So it's really a great casting. If you guys are able to get this one, go ahead and get this one. Looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.